Students, now we are going to see the third part of the chapter 3 Carnot's map. We are going to see how to reduce a Boolean expression by using Carnot's map. First, we are going to see how to reduce a sum or product expression by using Carnot's map. This is the first question. Simplify a dash b dash c dash plus a dash b dash c plus a dash b c plus a b dash c plus a dash b c dash plus a b c. This is your question. Then you are going to draw the K map. So in your question, how many variables are there? 3 variables, that is A, B and C. So you have to draw the 3 variable K map. So 3 variables means first variable naming the row and next 2 variables for the columns. So according to the order, you have to name the give the name of the cells. So this is a sum of product. All the product terms we are going to find the sum. The product term ka sum. So this is called a sum of product expression. So in sum of product expression we have to give importance for 1. So first term of the expression is a dash b dash c dash. After naming the cells, first we have to go a dash b dash c dash. So if it is putting the line like this means complement. Complement is also same as that of this dash. So here a dash b dash c dash. So put a 1 here. See the next term a dash b dash c. So where is a dash b dash c. So put 1 here. The third term a dash bc, a dash bc. So put 1 here. The next one is a b dash c. So a b dash c. So write the 1 here. The next term is a dash b c dash, a dash b c dash. So we have to write the 1 in this cell. The last one is ABC. So ABC. So here we have to write 1. So the marking of the cell is over according to this expression. The next step is we are going to group framing the K map. Grouping the K map or framing the K map. So when we are going to group the K map, the first priority is for the octet. Octet means group of 8 ones together. So here only how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there is no chance to group 8 ones together. The next priority for quad. Quad means group of 4 ones. So first we will group like this 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a group. Now 2 ones are remaining, so don't go for grouping this as a pair. Again you have to see if there is any way to form a quad again. Okay, by sharing ones, by rolling the map vertically or horizontally, sharing ones nearby the cells. So here we are going to share these 2 ones with these 2 ones. So again we got 1 quad. So totally we got 2 quads. This is quad number 1, quad number 2. If you want to take this as quad number 1 and quad number 2, then also it is okay. We will change the quads. So this is the second step, grouping the ones. Now we are going for simplification side. So For quad M0, M1, M3, M2 means this is the quad. Cell number is 0, 1, 3, 2. M0, M1, M3, M2. So this is the quad. So from rows, this is the row. So for this quad, this is the row and these are the columns. So from row we got only A dash. Okay. From the column, these are the columns. Okay. So from the column we got 1 because see B dash C dash BC दोनों ये both of them are opposite to each other है ना. यहाँ पे B dash C dash, यहाँ पे B C, so it will get cancel. Next one B dash, यहाँ पे B, C, यहाँ पे C dash, so these terms also get cancelled. So if all the terms get cancelled, we will get 1 in sum of product form. Okay. From columns we got 1. Both the variables are in opposite form, hence get cancelled because B bar C bar, B bar C, BC, BC are B C bar all are opposite to each other, so it get cancelled. So we got 1 from this quad first. So the final term obtained is A dash, only A dash. From the rows and from columns we got only A dash. Now we are going to the next quad. Cell number क्या है इसका? 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 4. Okay. From this quad we got, for this quad we are having 2 rows, है ना. This is the quad, so we have 2 rows. This A dash and A are opposite to each other, so it get cancelled. So only from the row we got 1. Here it is written like this, A dash and A are opposite form, hence it get cancelled. So for this quad, go to the column B dash C B C. So B dash and B are opposite to each other, so it will get cancelled. Then we will get only C. Okay. From columns C, B and B dash are cancelled. So the term obtained is C. So from the second quad we got C. Therefore the simplified expression is quad 1 we got A dash and quad 2 we got C. Hence simplified expression is A dash plus C. So this is the way we have to simplify the expression by using Karnaugh map. The first step is you have to see the terms correctly, then draw the K map, then you have to go for the simplification. This is the second problem. Obtain the most simplified expression for the Boolean function f of a, b, c equal to sigma. This symbol is called as sigma. This is for sum of product form. Okay. Sum of product form symbol is sigma. Here the numbers are here. In the previous question we saw the variable terms. All the terms are here. In this question you are seeing the numbers. This number means this is the cell number. Okay, these are cell numbers. So cell numbers means, see, first after seeing the question we are going to draw the K map. So this is the 3 variable K map. See here ABC. They given the input at ABC. So we know that it is a 3 variable K map. So first step is you are going to draw the K map. So name the K map and you mark the cell numbers also. 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. Okay, mark हो गया है. Then you see this is sum of product, means in each and every cell we have to occupy the cell with 1. 0, go to the 0th cell and put 1. 4th cell, go to the 4th cell and put 1. Second cell and go to the second cell and write 1 here. Now 7th cell 1 and 5th cell 1. So the marking process is over. Now we are going for the grouping. So if there is any chance to make an octet, no. Then we go for quad. Can we able to group any 4 ones together? First we have to see if we roll the map, then also no way. So there is no way to group quad. Then we go for pair. So first we pair these two ones because it is adjacent neighboring cells. This cell and this cell, adjacent cells are having ones. So we grouped it. Okay. Now 1 is here. 1 का आसपास में कुछ 1 नहीं है. So what we have to do is, we have to sharing this one from the adjacent cell. Okay students. Now so these ones over. Now we see these two ones. Okay. So there is, by sharing also, by diagonally we can't able to share the cells. Okay, diagonal grouping is not there. So what we have to do is just we are going to roll the map vertically, otherwise no other way of grouping. Okay, so fold the map vertically, vertical side में fold करना पड़ेगा. So these two edges touch each other. Okay, so we are able to make a pair like this. When we fold from here to here, these two ones group together. So another pair we made. So pairing is over and the grouping is over. Now we are going for the reduction. So first pair we taken it as M0 M2. Okay, M0 and M2. So what is the row variable here? A dash. From rows A dash. What are the column variables for this first pair? B dash, C dash and BC. Here B dash and B are opposite to each other, so it get cancelled and we will get only C dash. See, from columns B and B dash get cancelled, so we got C dash. So the term obtained is, रो में से हम लोग को A dash मिला है, कॉलम में से C dash. So the term obtained is A dash C dash. दोनों term को multiply करना है. Now go to the next pair. This M4 M5. So what is the column variable? A. No, row variable A. Column variable B dash C dash and B dash C. Here also the variable C dash and C are opposite to each other, so we will get only the variable B dash. So what is the term obtained? A B dash. Now the pair this M5 and M7. What is the row variable? A. Column variable is B dash C dash BC. Here the variable B dash and B are opposite to each other, so it get cancelled. Then we get the variable C. So the term obtained is A C. Therefore the simplified expression is, first pair we got the term obtained is A dash C dash. Second pair A B dash. Third pair A C. So this is the most simplified expression. Students, now we are going to see another one expression. Obtain the most simplified expression for this expression. they give all the terms here. So this is A, B, C, D, 4 variable K-map. First 2 variables for the row and the second 2 variables for the columns, and you mark the cells 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 8, 9, 11, 10, 12, 13, 15, 14. Okay. Then we, according to these terms, we have to put ones in all the corresponding cells. Now we are going for the reduction. See, first we have to see if there is any way to make the octet by sharing the ones, or by grouping the ones, or by rolling the map. If we group, this is the pair, this is the pair, this is the pair, this is a pair. Okay, no way to create a octet here. Now the next priority for the quad, we have to see by folding the map we are able to make the quads. When we fold horizontally, we will get one quad. When we fold the map vertically, we will get another quad. So from this K map we will get 2 quads. So from quad M4, M12, M6, M14. What is the row? A dash B, AB. Here the 2 variables A dash and A are opposite to each other, so it get cancelled. We will get B. From rows we got B. From column, for this quad, columns are C dash, D dash, C, D dash. Here the variables C dash and C are opposite to each other, hence it get cancelled. So we will get D dash. Okay. So from rows we got B, from column we got D dash. So the term obtained is B, D dash. Next quad, M1, M3, M9, M11. Here it is not 10, 11. Okay. So from the row we will get, these 2 are the rows. So A dash, B dash, A, B dash. So A dash and A are opposite to each other, hence it get cancelled. So we will get only B dash. From the column, C dash, D, C, D. C dash and C are opposite to each other, it get cancelled. So we will get D. So the term obtained is B dash, D. Therefore the most simplified expression is, first quad term obtained क्या है? B, D dash. Second term B dash, D. So this is the most simplified expression. Okay. The next question is, given the following function f of ABC, so 3 variable K map you have to draw, and these are the cell numbers. Sigma is there, therefore it is a sum of product expression. Obtain the most simplified expression by using K map. So 3 variable we have to, you have to draw the K map and mark the cells and put the ones, the cell number 0, 1, 2, 4, 5 and 6. Put the ones. Then we are going for the group. First we have to see if there is any way to make a octet grouping of 8 ones. No way. Then we are going for making quads. So these 4 ones first we will join together and a quad we made, and 2 ones are left here. By rolling the map and sharing these ones, we are able to make the next quad. Okay. Now from the first quad, this we reduce the expression. The term obtained is B. From the second quad we got the term C dash. Therefore the most simplified expression is, first quad में से B मिला, B plus C dash. Okay, this is the most simplified expression. This is the next question. Given Boolean function x of a, b, c, d, 4 variables, sigma, these are the numbers. Obtain the most simplified expression by using K-map. So sigma symbol is there, so it is sum of product form. A, B, C, D, 4 variables. So first step is you are going to draw the 4 variable K-map and name the cells according to sum of product form, and you have to put the cell numbers 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 8, 9, 11, 10, 12, 13, 15, 14. Okay, then according to the cell numbers you have to put ones. 0th cell 1, first cell, second cell, third cell, fifth cell, seventh cell, 13th cell, 15, 8, 9, 10, 11. Put all the cells once. Then you will go for grouping or framing the K-map. So if there is any way to make a octet, okay, here 4, here 4, so this is an octet. By folding the map again we are able to make a octet. So from this K-map we got 2 octets. So if you take the first octet, the rows are all the 4 rows, all the variables are opposite to each other, so it get cancelled. So we will get 1. From the row we will get 1. And from the column, C dash and C opposite to each other, so it get cancelled. So only we get the variable D. So the term obtained from the first octet is D into 1 equal to D. From the second octet, this is the second octet. By folding the map we got the next octet. The row representation is A dash B, A B dash. Here the variables A dash and A are opposite to each other. A dash and A are opposite to each other, so we will get the variable B dash. In the column all the variables are opposite to each other, so it get cancelled, so we will get 1. So the term obtained is B dash. Therefore hence the variable get cancelled, we get B dash. Therefore the term obtained is B dash. Most simplified expression is D plus B dash. If you write B dash plus D, then also it is okay. You can take this as first octet and this one as second octet, then also it is okay. Okay, this is the simplification of sum of product expression. Students, here I have given some questions based on sum of product expression. You try to reduce the following Boolean functions with the help of K-map. Okay, so the questions are again I have given here. If the sigma symbol is there, this means it is a sum of product expression. So this is the 4 variable, here also 4, here also 4 variables, these two are having 3 variables. Okay, you practice all these questions. The next part we are going to see reduction of K-map by using product of sum expression.